What is up, guys? Welcome in. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. Let's get into a very important debate here, okay? Now, in a recent development, we're seeing basically Polygon causing some waves in the crypto world. Now, this wave that we're seeing basically is stemming down from a whale movement, and in this whale movement, we're basically seeing Polygon Matic as well as Cardano basically seeing a recovery, and this recovery is basically going to cause a trickle-down effect across the crypto landscape. So we're going to break it all down here in this video. So as always, guys, remember to subscribe down below, smash that like button. Please remember to subscribe as well. And also, if you guys hold Cardano, if you hold Polygon Matic, drop a Matic or a ADA down in the comments box. That's the best way to let everybody on YouTube know exactly what you guys are holding. All right. Let's get it going. And remember, not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial, okay? But now let's take a quick dive into what's going on, because a Polygon whale transaction sent shockwaves, basically seeing 10 million Matic, now roughly about 7.77 million US dollars, okay? That has been transferred to Coinbase, okay? Now, within these this amount of money that was transferred, the transaction had three parts. We had a transfer of 10 million Matic, followed by a 9 million transfer, and then a final transfer of 7 million tokens. Okay, so this is essentially what we're looking at when we talk about whale movements. And now, when I say to you guys in my videos, what you want to do is you want to follow the whales, follow the money. All right, a lot of times, no matter what you're doing, the people that know exactly what's going on, they're always basically making their first decisions, okay? They're the first ones to make those decisions. Now, that's why it's important when you see these moves and this manipulation and all this good stuff that goes on in crypto, just like in anything really in life, you can really tip the scale and know exactly what's going to happen first if you're on basically in the know and you're aware of your surroundings, okay? But within crypto, this is how it applies to Polygon Matic. So we've seen basically the market respond with this little bit of on-chain analysis where you see a 3.68% over the past day. So this increase is essentially why we're rebounding up to that 77 cents level, despite a lot of broader market fluctuations. So this is making essentially the intriguing argument that something where this whale activity is, whether it's trending from a group or just a specific individual investor, basically seeing a lot of people getting out of Polygon Matic, but not necessarily causing a dent in the chart, conversely, okay? And that's what this chart's basically going to indicate for you guys, because we really have hung on and bounced off of that resistance pretty nice, okay? And that's the resiliency you want to see within a crypto, that you want to be a top 10 crypto one day, okay? But within these pending price changes that you are expecting, they really haven't happened. So this is something where you could see Polygon Matic look for even more bullish momentum, because with a whale transfer such as this is where you could see a timing of the market. There's a lot of different explanations. A lot of times, too, a lot of people are just gearing up, or they're transferring positions into other positions that are more poised for a better run. But it doesn't necessarily mean that they're out of Polygon Matic forever, okay? And that's something where these whales, they like to make very calculated movements, and this is where you can be on the brink of a potential rally due to these movements, because when you see this and you see people taking profit and then the chart begins to fall a little bit lower, what happens? Then we trigger a cascade of events, skyrocketing the price, and obviously the bigger market movers are going to make profits even more than you and me and any mom and pop crypto trader out there, okay? So that's kind of what we're seeing on the charts. Now, despite what we're seeing with Polygon Matic, you're also seeing the same thing going down with ADA, okay? That's where we had a 7% decline, opposite of that 3.6 or so, what I said earlier with Matic, basically where a lot of people are just taking profits. Now, when you do this is where the TA becomes a strong indicator of what's to come, because now we're going to have a little bit of sideways trading, a little sideways action, and that's why I like to use in my personal investment strategy a lot of trading indicators. Not necessarily rely on TA, but you can kind of get a glimpse of where the market is headed trend-wise, okay? And now with Cardano, it's still bullish. Polygon Matic, very bullish, despite seeing these larger scale whale transactions across the board. So we're seeing a lot of growth trajectory in both of these cryptos. This is what you want to see as we gear up for the next bull cycle. But obviously, guys, nobody has a crystal ball. But 2024 is extremely poised. The on-chain metrics are supporting that, and basically we're going to be covering Polygon Matic and Cardano for the duration of my time here. So I appreciate you guys all being part of the channel. Remember to subscribe down below. Like I said, smash that like button, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys have any thoughts on this matter. I always try to respond to each and every comment. I do my best out there, but I appreciate you guys all being part of the channel, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.